Hi guys, welcome back. So today we will see another real-time scenario. Okay, this scenario is actually asked from one of my subscriber, and the scenario is like if we have one web table here. Okay, and in the web table consider salary. Okay, salary column. Okay, in the salary column we have to get the highest salary and the second highest salary. For example, in the current table the highest salary is 30,000. Okay, and second highest salary is 25,000. So we have to buffer the highest as well as second highest salary. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, first let me scan this table. Okay, so this is our table. Let me just check. Okay. Mm, okay. This is our table. Okay. Let me save it. Okay. Tosca got hanged. Let's wait for some time. Okay, I have killed the process and we have a table available here. Now let me drag and drop under my test case. I have already created a test case. Okay. Mm. So this is our table. Okay, first what we have to do, first we have to get the total number of records. Okay, so to get the total number of records we can use a property called row count rc buffer. Okay, so let's check. Buffer with name rc has been set to 11. Okay, and we have how many rows? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, including header it's 7, and here we have some empty rows also. Okay, that also it is counting, so we have to use another approach to get the record count. Okay, let me show you in such scenario how we can get the row count. Instead of taking the count from table, just take it from row. Okay, just use result count and same buffer, and in the cell you put constraint and mention where cell is not equals to null. Okay, just get me the count. Okay, how many rows where cell is not equals to null. Now let me just run it. So now I should get the count as 7. Okay, okay, we have got the count as 7, but it is including header. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's including header. So what I will do, I will either we can use pass this uh, record count rc minus 1 in the repetition folder, as well as if you want to give reduce total record minus 1, you can use math operation using tbox set buffer. So I will just rename it as exit count of records. Okay, and rc, and I want uh, total record minus 1. So I will pass here buffer of minus 1, and our buffer name is rc. Okay, so now it should give us 6. Okay, so we are getting 6 record. Perfect. Okay, now we have to iterate over each record, and we need to fetch this salary cell values. Okay, then we'll go ahead with getting the highest and the second highest. Okay, so to iterate over each rows, we need a repetition. Okay, the repetition, how many times I want to repeat? I want to repeat buffer of rc time, which is 6. Okay, you can either give small or capital, both will work. Okay, so this particular whatever statement uh, I will mention under this repetition folder, it will iterate for 6 time. Okay, so let me copy this folder, sorry, step. Okay, and here I don't want count, I want salary cell value. Okay, so here I am having salary, and each time I want to iterate. So instead of hard code value, I will pass repetition. So every time the value will get changed, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. And I will store in one buffer. Okay, buffer repetition. Okay, that will be buffer. So first iteration it will be cell 1. Okay, salary 1 will store 10,000. The next iteration salary 2 will store 12,000. Like this it will store all 6 rows value. Okay, buffer. Okay, now um, let's quickly run and check till here whether it's working, whether it's capturing all the cell values or not. Okay, so we got exact count 6, we got 6 repetition, and each repetition, see cell 1 10,000, cell 2 12,000, cell 3 2,000, like that. We have salary 6 25,000. Okay, till now it's fine. Now if since I am using this 2023.2 version of Tosca, so I have to perform all these steps to get the salary for the particular column values. But if you are using to 2024.2 version, where we have buffered arrays concept, in within one step you can buffer all these column values in and store as an array. Okay, that will be easy. Now we have performed these 3 steps. Okay, and we have stored the value. Okay, now what I will do, I will store these salaries in the form of arrays. Okay, just see here, I will just define one temp salary. Okay, or I will define temp array. Okay, temporary one variable I am creating buffer, sorry, where I will store all these salaries in the form of arrays. Okay, so how I will store, just see carefully. Let me drag and drop one tbox set buffer. Okay, now in temp array. Okay, temp array. So after getting each time a salary, I want to store in a temp array. Okay, temp array in the form of array. So I will pass buffer of temp array. Okay, so what this step will do, after this repetition completes, it will store my all the salaries, okay, in this temp array buffer. You see here. See the last repetition. The Okay, it is entering salary 1, 2, 3 variable. Okay, I have done some. Okay. Sorry, I have just passed this value as directly. I need to pass this as buffer. Okay, because salary 1 has been, I mean, in buffer salary 1, our value will be there. I had passed directly cell repetition means it has directly buffered cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 like that. Okay, let's again run and check. Just check the last temporary. You can see our all cell values for the salaries has been stored in temp array buffer. Okay, like this format. So till this four steps, okay, with if you are using 2024.2 version of Tosca, you can perform within a one step. Okay, till this. But since I don't have that buffered array in 2023 version, so I have to write these four steps to get in this format. Now, once we get this format, it is easy to get the highest and second highest. Okay, let me again drag and drop one tbox set buffer to get the highest salary from that. So now in this particular temp buffer, okay, temp array buffer, I have all the salaries, okay, in array format. So what I will do, I will write this temp array, and there is a function, one calc function, okay, calc function to get the maximum from the array. So what we'll do, max, and in the max I will pass our buffer where I have the all salaries. Okay, I will just pass temp array. Okay, so what I have done, I have write one Excel formula. This is calc max of temp array. Get me the maximum value from the values available in the temp array buffer. Okay, let me just run this. Okay, till here we already saw what all steps it has done. Now if you see here, buffer with name temp array, okay, has been set to value 30,000, which is the highest salary among all employees, okay, from all the rows, 30,000, and second highest is the 25,000. So now we have got highest. Let me just rename it to highest. Okay, now we want the second highest, so we will use one logic here. Okay, suppose now we have like, just for example, we have some numbers like that, comma 10 comma or dot. Okay, just consider this number. Suppose from this we have to find the maximum. We got maximum is 15. So what we will do in the next step, we will remove the maximum one, and again we will be left with this many values, and from this many values again we will get the max. So we'll get 10, which is the second highest. Got it? Okay, I will follow the same rule here. What I will do, I will, this temp array will be holding all the values, so I will pass here temp array buffer I will use, and from temp array what I will do, I will replace. Okay, string replace. So in string replace, what I have to search, okay, input string will be buffer of temp array. Okay, my input is temp array, and what I need to find, I need to find the highest. Okay, from that list I want to find the highest buffer, and I want to replace with space. Okay, I don't want any other character, I just want to replace with blank. And once I replace the highest value from the list, I want, again I want the highest, so I will just name it to second highest. So I want the highest from that list, so which will give us second highest value. Okay, just let me run and give you the final result. Okay, okay, see here, this was our final list. Okay, I will show you, let me just make it, expand it. Okay, this was our first initial list, okay, of values, like this values we had, and from that list we got the highest as 30,000. Now we have left with 25,000, 5,000, and 20,000, 12,000, and 10,000, because we removed, in this particular step we removed the highest. So from remaining list again we got the highest, which is 25,000. So highest is the 30,000 and second highest is the 25,000. If you go and check in the table, the highest salary among all employees is 30,000 and second highest is 25,000. Okay, so this was like the expectation. Okay, the same logic you can apply for any column, like age column also. If you apply, you will get, even though if it has duplicate salary also, you will get duplicate age also, you will get the highest as well as the second highest. Okay, so I'll request you to go and just give a try for duplicate entries also, it will give correct. Okay, and just let me know if you have any doubt on this, but I don't think you will be having any doubt, because this is all straightforward, this part, because this is the main part. Until here we have used many times this repetition concept, so I don't think you people will be having any doubt on that. But this part is bit new, like array and all the concept I told. Okay, so you people can give a try and let me know if you face any issue or if you have doubt in this syntax. Okay, okay, that's all guys, thank you, bye bye.